Hello everyone, welcome to MFC programming. Today we are going to learn how to create tab view. Let's open Visual Studio first. Go to file menu. From file menu, new project, Visual C++, from Visual C++, MFC application. Change the name of the location of the application. Give the name of the application. I'll give it as tab view. You can give the name of the application of your choice. Press OK. To next. Previous. From here, from application types, multiple documents, check tab documents. To next. Under user interface, here select use a ribbon. Select use a ribbon. Click finish. Once you press finish, then you'll see that project creation successful. See, once your project creation has success, then we can start adding tab. For that, let's go to view. From view, resource, double click on this, and dialog, resource view, right click, add resource. From dialog, select IDD form view, insert new, click on this text, press delete, right click on this view, go to properties, change the properties. As you can see, this the ID of this view is IDD form view. I'll change it to IDD first view. Then let's add a class for this view. Double click, give its name as CFV first view. From base class, select C form view. Click finish. Now again close this. Go to resource view. Right click on dialog, add resource. Again from this dialog, expand this, IDD form view, new, click on this text, press delete, right click on this view, to properties. From this ID, we'll change this ID as IDD second view, second view. Let's add class for this view. Double click on this view, you will get this dialog box, CFV second view. Select from this base class, select C form view, click finished. Now we have just added two view, this tab view 1 and tab view. second tab view. We have to tap this view in one view. For that we have to create one more class, tab class. Let's add, press Ctrl Shift X. Once you press Ctrl Shift X, you will get this MFC class wizard. You have to remember, you have to press Ctrl Shift X. Press add class. From this class you give the name as combined view. We are going to combine two view in one, so that I am giving it as C combined view. And for our base class, from here select C tab view. C tab, go down, you can see it here, C tab view. In base class, C tab view we have to select and press finish. Apply. Okay, now we have two view. Come in combined view. Here in this combined view we are going to combine this first view and the second view. So that let's include the header file of this. First, before doing that, you have to add one more function in this combined view class. Let's do that. First, again press Ctrl Shift X. Here remember the class name should be C combined view. C combined view. In that you go to virtual function. Remember this view, I have the class name that we have just created, C combined view. Here it should be there. Then go to virtual function, press O. Should get a function here. Go down. Oh, sorry, we have to go to message. Press select message here. Go down, select WM create message. From message WM create, select WM create, press add handler. See, on create handler is added for this combined view just we created. Apply. Okay, so you can see here that class is added in this combined view.cpp source file. So now we are going to add this view for second view and first view in one. For that we have to include the header file, this first view.h, second view.h here. Go to top. Or let's increase the font first. Go to top. As include FV first view, as include FV second view. Again from here select C combined view, and here select on create method. Here we are going to add code to tab two view, that is to combine one view, to combine into that this view and this view into one view. For that we have to add some code. So I have already that code. I'll just copy and paste it so that we'll have some time saving. Copy, I'll copy this many lines of code, copy and paste it here. Now first we have to create the let's remove this code from here, Control X, and put it here. First we have to create an instance of CMFC tab control class, then we have to use the flowing code to tag this to view. So first I am creating the view, and these are the some of the parameters that we have to pass to this method create. This method is creating the tab control, and it will attach it to this CMFC tab control object. Next, here we have to add the view, our view. So first view, CFB first view and second view I am combining into one. So, and I am giving this first view as index is 0 and second view index is 1. So you can copy this many lines of code, you can type this many lines of code to your application in on create method. So this is the code where we are combining two view in one. Next thing, we have to register, and remember this first view and second view that we have created for this and this view. This view and this view we have created classes that we have to add and include the header file that I have already done. You can see this first view and second view. It has first CFB first view class and this has CFB second view class. Next thing, we have to register this combined view with the document. So for that, go to view, Solution Explorer, expand this. By default the frame will create this many source this many folder for you, from source file, open source files and header files. In source file, go to C tab view dot. This is source file for application class, and C tab view dot h. This is a header file where application class is declared. You can see this. You come down, C tab view. This is application class. So next, go to .cpp file of application class. Here select C tab view dot app, tab view app. From here select init instance method. In init instance method, come down, increase the font first. Down. Here see this code is to register the view to document. So we'll copy this lines of code and press enter, paste it here. Paste it here, and now I am going to create one variable that is called tab view, TABBED, tab view, and I'll replace this variable with this tab view. Control V, control view. So this tab view and tab view. Now I have to register this combined view class with this document. So for that I need to give the class name here. So come to this combined view header file, copy the class name C combined view, come to application class, in init instance method, remove this class name, paste it this sorry, come here, paste this combined view. Here it is saying must be a class name or name space. Since it is defined in this combined view dot header file, we have to include this header file. So go top and include the combined header file as include you can see combined header file. Now again let's go to init instance method, see tab view, init instance. You come down, can see the error has gone. And one more thing that we have to do is this variable is local. This is local to this method, so we will not be able to access outside the method. So let's make it as member of the application class. Control X, come to header file of this application class. You can see here this in this view this application class is defined. Come down under public section, paste this, and again one more thing, this view this variable is also not accessible outside this class. We can do the same. Come to application class, header file, come down, paste it here. So now these two are member of the application class. Come to init instance method. Now we have register our combined view with document, which this combined view combine this first view and second view into one. Then next thing we have to go to view, resource view. From resource view, click on ribbon, click on IDR ribbon, double click, go to view, toolbox. From toolbox select a button. Now button will come, so click on this, right click on this button, properties, change the this caption of this button to tabbed view, close it. Now our intention is to, whenever I press this tabbed view button, this first view and the first view and the second view should be combined together and displayed. It should be tabbed in one view. So for that we need to add a handler. Whenever I press this first view and second view should be tabbed in one view. Let's add a handler for this. Right click, add event handler. From here go down, select C mainframe, and here change the name of the handler, functional handler. Change the name of the function, make it as C on tabbed view. Now add and edit. Remember this, I have taken it as C mainframe. Add edit. Here now we have to add code to display this combined view. For that we have already code snippet prepared. I'll just add it here. Now this is the code to display that combined view whenever I press this tab view button. We have to do some modification in this code. First we have to give the document class properly. CMFC view doc, this is undefined. So first go to Solution Explorer. You can see this, our doc class name is, sorry, this document. If you go to header file, you can see this C tab doc. So document class is C tab doc. So we have to give this same name in mainframe. Copy, view, come mainframe and replace this with C tab view. Here also replace with C tab view. And again the error is still coming. It is saying the tab view doc is undefined. So it is declared in C tab view doc.h. We have to include this header file here as well. Let's include it as include tab view doc.h. Again click here, select C mainframe. From here select on tab view. We have just added on tab view method. If you come down, you can see that error has gone, this error. Next we have to give the template variable that we have just created for this combined view in application class. In this application class tab view, we have, for this combined view we have created tab view variable. So copy this tab view, come to mainframe and put it here. So this is the member of application class, and this the app is the object of the application class, which will be accessible throughout the application. So I am using it as it is. You should know, you don't have to create it, just you type it the app and you will be able to access all the member of the application class. If you give dot, it will list all the application class member. Next thing we have to do is to give the class name here that we want to display the view. Here I want to display this combined view, so we have to give this combined view class, so that this combined view class name, if you come to it, is declared here. You can see C combined view is declared inside this header file. Copy this, come to mainframe, again we have to include this. Since we are using it, we have to include the header file where it is declared. For that, go top, combined view, you can see combined view.h. Now again mainframe, on tab view, you can see down, you can see the error has gone. Now our code is ready to display that tab view. So you can type this code to your application, and slowly I will show you this code. That handler, inside that handler that we have created for this button in mainframe class, type these lines of code. These lines of code we have to add in your application. So you can pause this video and type this code. Always we have to create a variable, and your class name should be already. You should not give this class name always. You have to give the class name that you want to display. Always you have to register your view. Let's build it. And one more thing, in combined view class you can combined view on create. Here we have to add this method, then we have to create a variable of tab control and create it. Then the view that you want to tab, you have to give it. If you want to give if you want to tab 10 view, then you have to create 10 view, and you have to give one by one, 0 1 2 3, like continuously you can give. Just I am showing it to you for 2. Let's build it. Press F7, or you can build it from here as well. Now you can see the build has started. And then you can see this code. The build is succeeded. Now we can run it. Press this button or F5. Now we see, you can see this, it is asking for which view to open. Since if you come to application class tab view.cpp, in we have this view and this 2 view is attached to a document. Since we have not told which view we have to open when the application will get launched, this dialog box is coming because we have not told whether we have to open this view or this view. So let's click OK. Let's maximize this. Now whenever I press this button, the tab view should come. You can see this first view and second view is tabbed. First view, second view, it is tabbed. For more clearance, we can go to resource, this first view, toolbox, static control, add a static control, right click, properties, change its caption to first, again close it, resource view, decided the second view, go to toolbox, static text, right click on this properties, change the caption to second, then build it, again build it, build succeeded. OK, press OK, maximize this, tabbed view, see first is, then second. So in one view these 2 view are combined. You can combine n numbers of view, just I have combined 2. I'll also show you how to stop remove this dialog from coming. This dialog is asking for which view, we can remove. I'll show you this in this video. Go to application class, in that init instance method, come down, remove this, comment this line code and add this line to your application. This line, comment this part and add this line. And this, see here I am telling I want to open this document template, that first view doc template. You can see here, if you go up, this doc template, we have the first view which is register, this is the second. So when I build it, you can see that dialog box stop appearing. Click on this, click on tab view. Now see first, second. Thanks for watching. Please give me if you have any comment for any improvement, anything.